guide on the side of the road in a two-door Chevy. When she was whispering softly in my ear, then screaming.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we're going to do a how I edit my video. So without any further ado, let's get on it. So editing my video, I only used 3 applications. First one is Capcut. The second one is Canva. And the third one is not an app, but it's a website. It's thematic. For Capcut, I use it mainly for editing videos. And for the Canva, I use it for editing my thumbnail. And for the thematic, I use it for mostly, of course, music or the song. And guys, what I use for editing my video is not a laptop, it's not a tablet, but my OG iPhone 11. Okay guys, this is an iPhone 11 and this is what I use for editing my videos. And I also have Samsung S23 FE, but I don't use this for editing simply because I like the iOS quality more than the Android. So this is the one I'm using for editing, and I'm going to show you guys what I do in editing my videos. So the first one is the Capcut. So I'm gonna show you guys a recent uploaded video of mine, so let's use that as an example. So this one, first things first is that I add random videos. Like for example, I'm going to plus bottom, and then I'm going to choose videos. This is already deleted, so I'm just gonna show you example. Maybe for example this one, I'm going to show that, and then I will just pick a timing, and I'm gonna cut that, and it's basically gonna be your preview. So ang gagawin mo lang is you're gonna choose videos that you like to show at the beginning of your videos, and then you have to cut it. It depends if it's 1 minute, if it's 5 seconds, 10 seconds. It depends on you how you want your videos to show. So for me, I usually go 5 seconds, and then mostly this one's the video, this is my intro. Okay, and then it will be insert my main intro. This main intro, this one, I edited this in Canva. You can also go to Canva, search YouTube intro, and there are so many examples there, and you can customize it and make it as your intro. So I just customized this from Canva, and then I did it for my main intro for every video that I have. So after that, after making all the videos or putting all the videos in your intro, like preview videos, and then your introduction video of your name or your meaning of or your channel, is that I'm going to start to put all of my videos, and I just cut. If for example I don't like that part, I'm just cut and delete. That's all. So you have to do that on all of your videos, okay? So next one is how I add some text. So just simple guys, what I did is just click text, add text, and then simply add what you like. Hi guys. And then there's a font there. Choose whatever font you like. And for me, because I am a standard pro in Capcut, I get to enjoy some of the pro features of font in Capcut. So I can use this one. The pro one is yung may diamond, the diamond one. So I can use that, and then just like that. Okay, so guys, let's put it here so I can show you guys like that. So if you want guys to add some like yung mga sound effects, like the typing, the clicking. So what I usually do is I'm not going to really center or point put it in the text directly. I make sure that I have a small inch before the text, and I go to audio, sound FX, and I add the click mouse. So this is how it goes. It really follow along with your font. So that's how you add text. So for the transition, guys, since I am standard pro in Capcut, I get to use some of the features, like for example this crumpled paper. So for Capcut, they have like this paper ball. So if you are not pro in Capcut, that's okay. There are so many free, like for example the pull in, like that. There's so many things in Capcut that is so much more for free, and so no worries about it, guys. The next thing I'm gonna show you guys is what I add for music or background song. So again, guys, I told you I use 3 apps. So the third one is the thematic. So I just go to thematic. So guys, thematic is a paid subscription license links for music, but they have free membership, I guess, but it's not the download is limited. So if you want to get all the good music, you have to be a premium member. So I just go to my thematic and then I just download it. And then when the pagka na-download na siya, guys, mapupunta lang siya sa phone nyo, and then you have to copy the link or the license link before uploading, guys. So that is what you're gonna choose. And then in Capcut, you have to go in Capcut and go to the audio, and then upon audio, go to the sounds, and then go to the files and go to the device and select from device. And yung mga na-downloads nyo na, guys, from the thematic will appear here. Let's just say this one, and then open, and then it will be open here, and you're just gonna choose from the downloads that you downloaded. So let's just say this one, and then that's how just I added my
Ito yung uso dati, but now nauuso siya.
So audios.
I was supposed to go there.
So that is all, guys, for that Capcut. For Canva, guys, I use Canva for my thumbnail. Canva, guys, I use Canva for thumbnails. So for Canva, I just search in the search YouTube intro or YouTube thumbnail. And there's so many thumbnail that you're gonna see here na free then. So either you use this one, and then what I'm gonna do is just I upload some of my pictures that I want to. Just have to play along with what you want and very aesthetically go with your video. So like this, I have examples like this one, very simple application, and also free use of Canva and the free use of thematic for just a simple vlog that you want to upload. So guys, I hope that my explanation are quite clear, and I hope you make good vlogs, content creations upon your videos. So guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!